Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. And in this tutorial, we are continuing the series and we'll start with the first stage, that is object creation and the field creation. So at this point of time, I have planned object model, something like this. I'll just open it and show you. That is, yeah. So I'll be creating a car object, a rent object, and we'll be using out of the box contact object. In car, we'll just get the basic details, that is the model of the car, members allowed in the car, transmission type, that is automatic or manual, comfort, like is it a luxury car or a standard car, and per day rent of that car. And in rent object, we'll be looking up for the car object, which car is being rented, and the contact lookup as well. So to identify which contact has rented this car, and apart from this renting related details, that is the start date, the end date, the number of days, and after calculating rent per day and number of days, we'll figure out the total rent. For the contact, we just need one field, that is if the contact that we are creating is a renter or some other. I mean, we don't really need it, but I'm just adding it. So let's get started with the object and field creation. I am now logged into the org and will start creating the object and the fields. For that, I'll go to setup and object manager. I'm speeding up this video so that I don't waste much of your time, and I'll quickly create these fields, object, and their relationships. Fields and relationships are now created, but I would like to highlight a few things here. That is, in the rental object, we have fields, that is for the booking days, which can be calculated with start date and end date using a formula field, but I have intentionally kept it as number field. So we'll be calculating this in the OmniScript itself. And the other field is the total rent. It can be calculated using the booking date, booking days, and the car rental, since we have a lookup field here as well. But we'll be doing it with the from the OmniScript itself. Now I will be showing you the schema builder as well to show the relationships here. In here I will just select these three, that is contact and car, and the last one is rental. This shows the relationship among these objects as well. So that's it for this video. In the upcoming video, we'll be developing the guided flow. We'll show the listing using FlexCard and upload the cars data as well using data raptors, there's a lot of exciting stuff coming in, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video. Please like the video, share this with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.